Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Garmin Venu Sq has enough battery and is synced to your phone. This guarantees satellite fixes and correct time data. Once done, press and hold the lower button to open settings, then navigate to System Sensors GPS. Make sure location is on and choose the strongest option like GPS plus GLONASS. This improves accuracy in mixed urban or tree-covered areas. You do this first, so the watch can find satellites quickly when you begin an activity. Now you select the activity that uses GPS. Press the top right button and pick run, walk, or bike depending on your workout. Once selected, hold still outdoors and watch the GPS icon. Wait until it shows a solid bar or ready so your route starts accurate. If you need a faster lock, use Hot Fix. Keep the watch facing sky for 30 to 60 seconds. This caches satellite data. Make sure to avoid tall buildings while acquiring a fix. Because multipath signal can degrade you begin the activity with a press of the top right button. During the session, glance at pace or distance to confirm GPS tracking. When finished, press to pause and hold to save. Your route will sync to Garmin Connect later. If you notice jumpy routes or missing distance, try toggling location off and on, or restart the watch to clear the GPS cache. If problems persist, update firmware and recalibrate sensors in the app. That typically fixes long-term accuracy issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.